Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at the C35 by manufacturer Realme. Looking at the box, it's the usual mustard and black design. Very simple, very minimalistic, and on the back there's some information on the specs, which include a massive 5000 mAh battery, a 6.6-inch Full HD screen, a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel sensor. And those are some really impressive specs for a basic phone. So without further ado, let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. Now that we have the wrapping out of the way, opening up the box, first off is the charger, which is a chunky white charger. The cable is a USB Type-C cable, so that's nice. Moving on to the documentation, you can see the SIM ejection pin there. As for the documentation, the first is a user guide, and the second is a warranty and safety booklet. Alright, so it's time for the main attraction. So let's get the phone out of the cover. As you can see, it's quite a premium looking device. The color is glowing black. The rear is glossy and reflective. At the top, you can see the triple camera layout. On the right is a single power button, and on the left are two buttons for the volume controls. Above that, you can see the SIM ejection tray. The top is clean. In the hand, it feels pretty substantial. Hit pause now for the quick spec sheet, and do get subscribed for the full deep dive review of this Realme C35. Hope you are enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share, and see you in the next one.